Are you wondering if you can share your YouTube TV account with others? It's a common question, especially for families or friends looking to split the cost. In this video, I'll explain whether YouTube TV accounts can be shared and what the rules are. Let's dive in. YouTube TV allows account sharing, but only within a single household. Each subscription supports up to 6 user profiles, so family members or roommates can have their own personalized settings, recommendations, and DVR libraries. Additionally, YouTube TV lets you stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it easy for multiple people to watch at the same time. However, sharing your account with someone outside your household, like a friend in another city, is against YouTube TV's terms of service. The platform monitors for unusual activity, and frequent logins from different locations could lead to account restrictions. If this video helped you understand the rules around sharing YouTube TV accounts, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.